Yellow. Today I will show you a little bit of this Grand Theft Auto, and let me drive somewhere open so I can show you what I want to do. I see you soon. Okay, so now I am. Oh my God, this radio. Okay, so now I am at my point where I want to show you. So yes, what I start with, I start by taking up my phone. I then press one up again. No, I press enter. Then I press up again. And yes, I have sheets. This is not the real account I play on. I play on a joke account. Okay, now I want to spawn a helicopter. With this one I will fly and I will show you some tricks and a good spot to fly from. Always put on your parachute before you start doing this. This tutorial can be very good. Be ready with your phone to heal the helicopter, because you don't want it to break while you start. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let's go. Okay, these are a bit hard to drive. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I got this. As I said, they're really hard to drive, so do not feel oh god. Oh my god, I need to get out of this. It will explode. Okay, that flight trick was really hard to do, so I will show you a car trick. So this is what many people want to do if they get hunted by police and cop. They will okay, first I need to turn my car around. Okay, so this is good. I want to be in the middle so no one car can annoy me. So that, like that. So that is the good thing. So what you do, you go back and let's say a cop is over there. He chases you, and if you feel like he coming to you, so you just turn, and it will go like this, easy like movies. And this is how you do the 180 turn around while drive backwards. Okay, good. So now you can just jump. Oh no, wrong way. Okay, this looks really good. If you fly like this, you can you have to pull out the parachute really early, or you will die. And oh no, wrong button. Shit, no. Oh my god, oh my god.
Я Мишка Гуммибер, вкуснющий гуммибер. Я мармеладный, вкусный, пухлый Мишка Гуммибер. Я Мишка Гуммибер, вкуснющий гуммибер. Танцующий, поющий, клёвый Мишка Гуммибер. О е, гумми, Мишка Гуммибер. Гумми, Мишка Гуммибер. Прыгай со мною вместе, смейся, со мною вместе хлопай, со мной в ладоши хлоп-хлоп-хлоп. Хлоп-хлоп-хлоп. Я Мишка Гуммибер.